I wanna show you how to blur the background in Premiere Pro. Let's go! At the beginning, go to the effects and write Gaussian Blur. Add the Gaussian Blur effect to your video clip. Come back to the effects control and under the Gaussian Blur, select the Draw Bezier tool. Start tracing an outline around your subject and do it till the moment you have gone all the way around. Come back to the effects control and click on the inverted. Then increase the blurriness as much as you want, based on your preferences. By the mask path, you will see the little play button. Click on this and Premiere Pro will automatically start to tracking your subject through the entire clip. It means that the blurriness will stay on the background and not transfer the subject. Now click on the empty area of your timeline to remove the mask. Then click on the video clip and go to the effects control. Here you can play with the mask feather and expression settings, based on your preference, and the way to remove the hard lines. Everything is ready, let's see the result. Help to grow this channel. Put your like and subscribe.